Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of DeFi for Busy People, where we talk about the hottest topics and platforms out there. Today we're gonna talk about Tulip protocol, that is part of the Solana DeFi ecosystem, and it is the rebranding of the Solfarm platform. If you are interested to know more about it, you can also look at this video that I made a couple of weeks ago about the Solfarm platform. Let's have a look on how does it work. It has three main features. The first feature is the vault, where you can deposit some asset. The assets supported are LPs from other platforms, like for example could be Orca, Radium or Saber. You can just click here in order to select the platform that you want to use. And as you can see here, the APY could be vary from platform and from LP to LP. Remember that even if the APY is quite high, remember that you are exposed to the volatility of each of the assets. Remember also that there is the impermanent loss that can affect even in an important way all of your earnings. There is also the lending feature, that is a feature that allows you to deposit a single asset and start earning some passive income. The advantage of this kind of feature is that there is no impermanent loss. And as you can see, there are also some nice assets like, for example, MSOL, that is the Marinade solution for the staking of Solana. In any case, the hottest for sure feature of the Tulip platform is the leverage farming. The leverage farming is allowing you to reach some insane APY. As you can see here, it could even reach over 20k of percentage of APY. All you have to do is just to click on it, and into that interface you will have the opportunity to decide the amount of leverage. One is just means that you are using only your capital. Two is means that you are using 2 times your capital, and 3 it means that you are using 3 times your capital. The leverage it means that you are borrowing one of the 2 assets that are composing the pool. It means obviously that you are more exposed to the volatility of one asset, because the more you own a certain asset, the more you have exposure to that volatility. Remember that even if it sounds really cool farming with leverage, it is quite risky because you are exposed to the risk of liquidation. Let's have a look from the documentation. How does it work? I highly recommend you to have a look to this before using the platform. But the main concept is that in the moment when you are farming with leverage, you are borrowing some asset using your own position as a collateral. The problem is that the value of the amount that you have to return will remain stable, because let's say that you are borrowing 100 USDC, you will still have to return 100 USDC. Or if you are borrowing 100 Radium, you will still have to return 100 Radium. The point is that everything is going well until the value of your position is increasing, because everything is going good in the right way. But the problem is that if in any case the value of your position starts decreasing, in the moment when your debt is reaching the 85% of your whole position, you will be liquidated, and you will not only lose your position, but you will also have to pay, as you can see from here, a liquidation bounty, that is a fee of 5%. So really pay close attention, because it's quite risky. That's why before using this kind of platform, you need to have really clear in mind how does it work. In any case, we are talking about a healthy protocol that is growing constantly since July, that right now has a total level locked that is around 1 billion. Let's try to recapitulate what we have said. We are in front of the major protocol on Solana that is allowing you to farm with leverage. It has a decent liquidity with a growing total value locked. So this could be really a powerful tool, but it's something that it's not for people who are just starting to use DeFi. At least in my opinion, it's more for people who have really clear how does it work, the liquidation, and are able to manage it into the right way. Remember that this kind of operation are quite a high risk. One story is just using the vault or the lending feature. That could be quite safe, even if using the vault it means being exposed 2 times at risk of being hacked, because you are exposed to the risk of hack on Orca, Raydium and Saber, plus the risk of an hack also on Tulip. So you are doubling the risk. So really pay attention. Tulip is a really nice platform because it allows you to earn some really high APY, but that's not absolutely free of risk. So be aware of it. Guys, as always, if you have any kind of question, just write me into the section below and I will be more than happy to answer to you. Remember to leave me also a big thumbs up in order to help me reach more people, and I will see you tomorrow with another episode. Bye guys.